Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Seac Rainbow Kids Shoe. So this is the smallest size that they do. This is a European 22, so they go down really small, and of course they come in lots of different sizes. This is great for paddling in and around the water, whether you're on the beach or whether you're around a swimming pool, because it's completely waterproof. You've got all of this mesh material that just allows the water to flow in and flow out, and it also means it's going to dry very quickly. Very quick and easy to get in and out. You've got that Velcro closure. The sort of soft, flexible material makes it really easy to get on, and a little heel strap at the back as well makes it much easier. On the heel itself, you have this soft, squidgy but very grippy material. So great on sort of wet tiles and wet rocks. Very flexible, very comfortable, and most importantly, it's going to protect their feet from sharp objects. So that's the Seac Rainbow Kids Shoe. Very handy to wear anywhere, whether you're at the pool or whether you're at the beach. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.